Kevin O'Higgins, President of the Law Society of Ireland. At the Law Society, we are proud of tradition, but prepared for the future. We know the profession is changing. A number of significant milestones this past year have served to underline that. In a proud moment for the Law Society of Ireland and the Irish solicitors profession earlier this year, we became the first legal profession in the world to achieve a female majority. As of now, 51% of our practicing certificate holders are women. We are also proud to note that this year the 15,000th solicitor was admitted to the role of solicitors. We are a growing, dynamic and diverse profession, looking to the future while respecting traditions. In June of this year, an important milestone for lawyers around the world was reached, the 800th anniversary of the sealing of the Magna Carta, one of the most famous documents in the world. It established for the first time the principle that everybody, including the monarch, was subject to the law. From the outset, I set a target to meet as many colleagues as possible in their local areas, and indeed this has proven to be one of the great highlights of my term as President. In particular, the CPD SkillNet cluster events throughout the country have been a great success that I've been happy to support. These are terrific occasions to see and hear about how colleagues are faring in their local areas and to tease out any professional issues with which we may be able to assist. Of course, one of the key events in this year's calendar was the Law Society's annual conference, held for the first time in Northern Ireland. It was also an honour for us to have the Taoiseach and two of his most senior ministers as guests at our annual dinner in July. This year also saw the historic passing of the marriage referendum in May. It is our duty as a society and profession to ensure that issues of fairness, justice and equality are brought to the fore in public discourse. The Law Society's Human Rights Committee examined the issue carefully, finding no justification for denying marriage equality to same-sex couples. Impressed by their arguments, the Council of the Society voted in favour of taking a public stance for equality ahead of the ultimately successful referendum. Solicitors are important stakeholders in the legal system, and I am proud that the Law Society stepped up to its duty to show leadership on this issue. It has been an honour to lead the solicitors profession over the past year, when we have marked so many important milestones and have faced up to pressing challenges.